to the employer.
Okay.
Yes, with certain benefits. Now, we should also remember that the employee at any point in time has the right to walk off any job by giving notice.
Right.
And the employer also has the right to terminate an employee's job by also giving them notice.
Right.
So there is nowhere in the law where employment is, so to speak, a right secured that it cannot be taken away from.
Okay.
We must remember that.
Right.
And these are terminations simply by agreement. I don't want to work for you anymore. I am walking away.
Right. But in this situation, and then subsequently after April, you take 40%.
Yes.
You take it or leave it.
Well, that's where the problem is.
You take it or leave it. They have not called them for the mutual negotiation that you are asking for. What should they do?
Now, the issue is, if they take it, they maintain their jobs.
Right.
If they refuse it, they lose their jobs.
Right.
But they can take subsequent action. What I think will be best in this period is keep the job. If the employer has been unfair, after this situation is over, take the employer on. Now, I know most Ghanaians are a bit unwilling to take on the employer, but if the staff would agree to come together, they should be able to resolve these things. Management must also know that they do not have the right to do whatever they want in these times. Employers have rights, so do employees.
Oh, but we are hearing it being said that the legal principles of force majeure and frustration have come in, such that employers can do anything they want. They can just ask you to get out of their space.
What is the effect of a force majeure? The effect of a force majeure is that the contract cannot go on.
Force majeure, loosely put, is an act of God.
Yes.
Something that was not within your contemplation.
Anybody's contemplation.
Something that was not within your control. That has happened and
has caused the fact that the contract cannot be fulfilled.
Okay, so it has caused me, the employer, unable to keep to the terms of the contract. It has caused you also unable to keep to the terms of the contract. It is not my fault as the employer. It's not your fault as the employee.
No.
Something has happened, like coronavirus.
Yes.
The government has issued, its rules, if you like, to say stay home.
Yes.
Don't go to work. There's a lockdown. Or if you have to go to work, you need to keep essential staff.
Yes.
So it is not the employer's fault. It is not the employee's fault.
No.
So that's the law. It says, then I can let you go off and I won't have any responsibilities.
Yes, but if you're letting the person go off, why are you signing another contract with the person telling them, I am now reducing your salary? That is an ovation contract.
Okay. You're
changing the terms of the agreement between the parties. Now, those changing of the terms must be agreed by both.
All right.
Now, that's if the management believe that is what they can afford. I don't think it would have been bad to have called a meeting of the teachers.
Right.
Either by phone, by conference, whichever way they'll do it. Inform them that these are the difficulties we are facing. This is what we are envisaging. So in order to have you keep your job, maybe for the next 3 months, we want to give you a reduced salary so that we can maintain you on and not terminate your employment. I don't think there would have been anything wrong with that.